Hello everyone, it's Lindsay, and today I have a little bit different of an unboxing on my channel. I had mentioned in my Instagram stories earlier on in the week that I had just gotten a package from Felicity Jane, and I have a new project that I want to start, and I thought I would share it with you guys. I had some private messages that people wanted to see process videos and kind of my adventure through this, so I thought I'd show you. So this is everything that came from my order. I ordered the Henley kit, which was the March monthly kit. There is a new kit for April, but I kind of liked this one better, so I went ahead and ordered this one. I'm not sure if this entire kit is still available. You can order the pieces individually, but I will have that all linked down below. The link that's down below is an affiliate link for Andrea. She's Retro Hip Mama here on social media, and I love all of her stuff. Be sure to go follow her. She does some memory documenting in a traveler's notebook, and I have seen a lot of people doing this, and I've really been inspired and wanted to jump in. So I reached out to her, asked her some questions and some tips, and got some information before I ordered. And so it's her affiliate link that I will link down below if you want to shop from Felicity Jane. So I just got the order. What I ordered was one of the traveler's notebook inserts, and this is the one from the Henley kit. And I kind of asked Andrea whether it was better to make my own inserts or what to do, and she said that the ones from Felicity Jane were great quality, so I went ahead and ordered one. I have the stapler and all the goodies to make my own, but I wanted to make sure that I had good paper inside since I wanted to play with some paints and some things like that. So this is an insert that is made to fit in a traveler's notebook cover. This is one from Webster's Pages, and so this is a system where you can kind of keep all of your little notebooks together. I have a process video showing how I put together my Lent one where I did my daily scripture writing through Lent. So I will link that down below, but I can keep them all in here. But what I want to do is document some photos, kind of like scrapbooking, I guess, but in a smaller system. So I have a bunch of photos that I've printed out and I plan on kind of keeping up with, and so these will be going into this insert here. So that was a separate part of the order, and then this was the entire Henley kit. So let me show you what all comes in the kit. It comes super beautifully packaged. It is up there in price if you're used to ordering Bible journaling devotional kits. This is going to be a little bit pricier than that, but you get a lot of goodies and fun stuff inside, and it is so well packaged and the quality is awesome. So you get a little note from the creator Felicity Jane, and this is a card that I've seen gals use as backers behind their photos, or they've cut apart and used in their spreads, so you can still even get use out of the little note card there. You get a package of note cards. So this kit can be used for traveler's notebook documenting, or if you do pocket pages or 12 by 12 spreads. So it's kind of, there's a variety of things in here that would work for whatever you're using. You could use this for Bible journaling. I may use some of my leftover bits in my Bible journaling, but that's not what I ordered this kit for. So here's a look at all of the cards that you get. They are double-sided, and so you can use these to mat behind your photos, or you can do journaling on these, or cut shapes out, cut titles out. I've seen all kinds of things. I will link a few gals down below, their YouTube channels who I have been kind of watching and being inspired by. There are just some amazingly creative ladies out there, and so I'm a little intimidated because it's out of my comfort zone, but I have all these pictures on my computer that I never print out, never do anything with, and so I was hoping that this would be a fun way to kind of use those. So there are all the cards that you get. You get this fun little package of wood veneer pieces. So like I said, everything is just packaged so well. So this is a sturdy enough container that you can keep it and store these in there. So wood veneer, and since you're not working in a Bible, you can use things that are a little bit chunkier. So you've got these pieces, and so they do have some dimension to them, and you could paint these and maybe use gelatos or distress inks, distress paints, acrylic paints, all kinds of things to paint these if you wanted, or just leave them the wood veneer kind of unfinished look. Felicity Jane is not a faith-based company, so you're not going to be seeing you know, things that are geared towards Bible journaling. That is not what this is for, so it's going to be kind of neutral. You get a little container of gold sequins, and this is a really nice plastic container to keep them in, so they're not going to be all over the place. Let me just open it so you can see. So you definitely are getting high quality stuff with this package. I was so amazed when I opened it and went through it. So it's a little twist top there, and then you have these fun little gold sequins, and they're kind of a brushed gold. You've got a stamp set that comes in a really nice storage pocket. So you don't even have to move this to a separate storage pocket. You could keep it in this pocket here. And this is a layering stamp set. So it's got some solid images that you can stamp down in a lighter color. And then you come back in with a detail image in a darker color and kind of build up the image to get a layered floral, just like the one in the paper. And so it is numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so you can know exactly which one to stamp down first and in what order to go, which is super nice. Some of the layering sets aren't numbered, and it's kind of hard to tell what to do with them. So I like that they are pretty easy to line up. And then you've got some smaller words: love, grow, making time for what matters, currently loving, fresh start, more of this, and then Henley and a little heart. So there's some pieces that you can use as you journal and document in your notebook or whatever you're choosing to document in. You get some die cut pieces, which I am always fond of. And these are thick, good quality, but not super thick like chipboard or something like that. This particular kit, they are kind of a cream instead of a stark white. And so this is Henley. This is the girl for the month. So what I've kind of noticed with their particular kits is there is a different style of girl. And sometimes it'll be a stamp set or stickers or things like that. This time you get a little die cut. And you've got some big pieces that can be titles, and then some labels that you can use for stamping the date, or stamping phrases from the stamp set, and adding journaling, using it as layering pieces. So these are all kind of things that you can build up and layer on your spreads. Like I said, if you're not familiar with this type of project, definitely check out those process videos down below that I will link, because it is awesome what these girls are doing. And so I'll be able to use a lot of the supplies I already have, but I wanted to kind of branch out and try out some of these companies that I hadn't had any experience with. And I chose this kit just because I'm obsessed with the florals, and the colors are just right up my alley. I was always kind of hesitant, or wasn't inspired to document photos, because I have 2 boys, so I didn't think I could use all the florals and the girly and the fun. And so once I started seeing some of the other ladies documenting, and it's okay to still use flowers, it kind of got me wanting to dive in and play with these things. So there's a look at all the die cuts that you get. And then you get some Pom-Pom Trim in this light blush color. I've been using this in my Bible journaling and my faith planning, so I'm excited to kind of use this in this project as well. So you get a good amount of that. You get some washi stickers. So these are a little bit different than regular stickers. They are like washi tape material. So they're, tearable, and they are translucent. Terrible as in you can tear them, not horrible. And so you've got these fun stickers that are super thin and translucent with some foil detail on there. These down here are washi strips that you can use. And then here you've got more washi strips, just really pretty floral pieces. So you can see you get a mixture of some bulky items and then some items that aren't so bulky. So you get 2 sheets of those. You get the epoxy dots in colors that correspond with the kit. These are super cute and super fun. I love playing with these. You get a set of gold puffy alphabet stickers, so plenty of each letter. They do have some dimension to them, but not too bad. So you do get a set of those. This here are 2 art prints. So if you are somebody who does 12 by 12 scrapbooking and things like that, these would work on a 12 by 12 spread, or you could just frame these or cut them apart. So there's a couple different things that you can do with these. I will have to cut these down or do something smaller with them if I'm going to use them in my little notebook there. And then you get a set of 12 by 12 double-sided papers. So you get the floral and chevron. So chevron on the back. I love that it's a mixture of florals and solid colors and black and white. Super fun. So you can either use these if you do 12 by 12s or cut them down and use them to mount your photos on. And even the branding strip has patterns, so you can cut these and use that as well. This is super cute with the polka dot and that fun kind of iCat pattern on the back. And you've got mints and corals and pink and teals, super fun, like all my favorite colors. As soon as I saw this kit, I knew it was the one that I had to have. I love this little heart polka dot, and then this one here. So there is a look at everything that comes in the kit. So let me know if you have any questions or comments down below, what you're excited to see. If you're on board with me starting a project like this, of course I will still have Bible journaling videos all the time and unboxings and reviews and all the same stuff that's been on my channel, but I will periodically pop in and do a process as I do some memory journaling in here. I've got, like I said, a stack of photos. I just use my HP Envy printer, and so I will link all those down below. And I got some photo paper. I need to play around a little bit with getting the coloring right because they're a little bit off, but I just got some photo paper and just printed them myself at home, and I went ahead and just wrote the date and some information on the back, so that way as I work through it I will remember what was going on, and I can just sit down and periodically hop on and go through and document some of my photos. So give this video a thumbs up if you're excited for a new project. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. If you're not familiar with Bible journaling, if you came over to see the unboxing, definitely take a look around at my channel and see all the other videos that I offer. And if you're here for Bible journaling, stay tuned. I will continue to have Bible journaling videos on my channel. Right now I'm posting almost 7 days a week, so there will be plenty of content for you guys also. And until next time, thank you so much. Bye-bye.